Can we request the lights to be turned on, please? Thank you, 30. And we also have our certificates distributed by Attorney Gang. And hi, Fox. So, ready? 1, 2, 3. Request daw po if we could take one from here para we can have our participants in the photo as well. Can we request the photographer to join us on stage? Tapos we'll face the wall. Okay. Sige. Bababa po. Tapos for the participants, if we can move to the center a little bit para masali po tayo sa photo.